Look at my boy, man. Ugly ass nigga, boy. What you doing?
I'm working, bitch.
You said what?
I said I'm working. What you doing?
I'm waiting on you to tell me what size it is so I can do the other side.
And this nigga.
What man got to do? Break past the roads all the way around. Look at that shit, boy. Stupid ass nigga. Oh, what are you doing? Ugly ass nigga right there, boy.
Damn, bro. All this shit is doing busted.
Got a ball spot. Is it?
And then what?
What size is that nut, bro?
It's a 12.
It's a 12? Bet.
Fuck 12.
Fuck 12?
Fuck 12.
You already know.
You already know. And then what? In the house. You made sure you got the right pads? Like,
I checked everything when I was over there, but I didn't really have.
yeah, these niggas must keep you doing these people dirty for us.
Did you go to Detroit?
No, I went up to.
Nah, yeah, them look right in the back.
I went to Auto Show. Detroit didn't have nothing for the rear, and I need this shit.
Alright, gang. Look at that beast right there, boy. Fuck wrong. Tell them they stop playing. They stop playing. Don't look at my dent though. That bitch fucked up. Look at that bitch. Stop playing. Hold on. Oh, that bitch look aggressive. Look at that beat. Hold on, me. Oh, look aggressive. Don't mind my scratch those fuck niggas.
Then I'm gonna stack some more.
Let me help this nigga real quick. Damn, boy, you was.
Look at the other side.
I know.
Hey man, you can still use it.
He gonna need that to bleed his caliber. He ain't even got a sequence. Fuck, they ain't even got no sequence.
It's alright, I'll get it for him.
Fuck, they ain't even got no sequence.
I thought you had that.
I got it.
Hold on, give me that, bro. Stop fucking around, dude. You playing too much. Give it to me right now.
I need that, babe.
Bro, I'm about to break this loose real quick, and then I give it back to your fuck ass. All right, y'all. So these rear ones are fucking 12. Put you down real quick. What the fuck?
All I got is a ball. Use that hammer. Let's try to get the ball to push it out.
Yeah.
Put your person to it.
Damn, my fucking
You actually use it or you just put it in first? Is that already wasted?
Yeah, because I did them wrong. I fucked up and I didn't run up this thing.
The spring back with it?
Alright, gang.
Yeah.
The caliber, the whole, or the both of this caliber on.
You got the hardware?
This is a
Or you just going to delete
motherfucking.
it today?
I'm just close them. Yeah. And then
Motherfuckers,
this summer for sure I'll do them.
So
Why,
the
were you
caliber
dragging?
bolts itself is 12.
Yeah, last
These is
show,
a
2
14.
years ago, they were like this. So I
Should
need to
take two.
replace them. So I replaced the brakes and all these are around the car. So these were all the way, how you say, closed.
Alright, so
closed,
look.
shut all the way. So when I put the caliper,
So once you take these off, boom.
Got the caliper down.
Take this one out.
Crack them. Justin, should I delete the inside?
Should you what?
Should I delete the e-brake?
Oh shit. Here, let me see. Oh shit. I mean, my e-brake's fucked up. I don't use it. There's no point for us. You tell me when you think you're gonna get in an accident, but oh shit, my e-brake. When you gonna get into an accident and think to use your e-brake?
Usually, you know, he's my son, so I keep
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I'll bust you. I shoot this bitch up. I shoot this bitch up.
Like I said, I teach him because he don't know everything, you know?
Bro, shut the fuck up.
Where's that flathead there? I want the flathead.
No, you ain't bring no flag, bitch. Oh. Hey, you think that's oh. Think you on fuck, nigga? Where my money at, bitch?
Right here.
That's that lane?
That's all I know.
That's all you know?
Oh, let's pour it back in place. That bitch almost looks like it's rubber.
This shit is gone, boy.
Weight reduction, bro.
Clips on? No. Hey, don't get an attitude with me, fucker.
No, I didn't even know how to do this.
Fucking bitch made boy.
Can't even see these holes.
Cause you a bitch. That nigga can't fuck with me. We had a race to do break. Yeah, I got the 14. You want it?
Yeah, please. These are not going in. I can't even see.
I'm about to slide it to you under the car. Hold on, give me 2 seconds.
No, give me the flathead, please. Let me the flathead. It just came back, take it.
You sure you don't need the socket, nigga?
No, not for now.
Spray that bit down, you feel me? Epic fail.
Hey, Justin.
Yeah.
I can fucking see these holes from here, bro.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro, everybody had girls except you. But see, now you have the option to have a second kid because you got a boy. See, now
I think if I had,
you know, so that's why I don't want to have a second one.
that's why I'm happy I had a boy at first, because if I do end up having a girl, then you know.
Then the boy can protect the girl. That's why I don't want to have a second kid. Because I don't want to have to protect you.
I'm just fucking with you, bro.
I know. Let me work on your car next. When you say you're gonna do something to your car?
He's gonna take your wheels off with a saws off.
I'm gonna leave this shit on brakes right there in front of your house too.
So don't even leave it on brakes. Just put the rotors right on the ground.
Hey, that's your truck?
Yeah.
When you bought that?
Well, I bought that about 4 years ago.
Nigga stole it.
Where at?
I just brought it over here about a year and a half ago.
Alright, gang, that's how you do that, you feel me? Then you put that caliper back on and you line that shit up, nigga.
Julian in English is Julian.
Yeah.
Put that shit on
We
in.
call them jewels.
Make sure that shit lined up though. That shit Shit, don't want to on them for what, nigga?
I was gonna do. I had a couple.
Just like that.
They were
That shit easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This shit hard to hold the camera and try to.
I wanted. I like Solomon. That's like my go-to. I wanted that for sure, but.
Turn that bit in.
Solo man. You're going solo.
Turn that bit in. And that.
I wanted that.
And how you do a break right there? How you do a break? Tighten them up. Hit them with the ugga dugga. This shit. Alright, gang. About to show y'all how to do these Brimbos. How to put Brembo pads in. Alright, watch it. So, hit that, where that brake cleaner at? It's got a little dirt on there. Alright, so I'm about to show y'all how to put these Brimbos. Make sure you get in there too.
Pads, they go through here.
And on the pistons too.
Yeah, they go through here, right?
Alright, gang, we back at it.
That's how you bleed them. Yeah, but you shouldn't need to bleed them.
Because you never broke any of the fittings loose, so you don't have to bleed them. Unless your shit's super soft and you want to bleed them.
That's how you do
No,
it.
I mean like this is where you bleed them.
Slide them bitches in.
That's the wrong one.
I don't know, there's 2 bleeders though.
That's one was there.
Pretty sure you might have to bleed both of them. I don't know.
No, you don't gotta bleed these.
No.
No, just slide them right in.
Well, yeah, I'm not talking about that.
Push it back a little bit. Bam.
I'm talking about if you want to stiffen up your brakes. Because he didn't break no lines loose, so he shouldn't.
Oh, is that bottom one?
Oh yeah, you're gonna do it with the finger, dog. Use a screwdriver.
Idiot.
Alright, bam. See how that bitch bleeding? Grab this bitch. Slide it right in. Like so. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. Alright.
Hey, I got some 20s for you. You wanna put some 20s on this bitch?
What type of tunnel you got? What they look like?
Here, let me see if the. Ooh, almost cut my finger. I'm gonna see if they'll even work for you.
Bam. Then what you want to do? Put these pins through the holes. Bam. Put it halfway through, and that's when this come into play. So pins, they ride on this. So boom, you put that over. Push this pad up. Boom. That one in, and then you bend this down.
I think these are gonna be too big. They might work though, 'cause you got stock suspension. But I don't know about clearance. And I got a center cap too that covers all of it. It looks good. I just want to see if you'll get clearance. Because these are like SUV style shit. Let me put this one next to this one. Oh yeah, he's got that. He totally got clearance. That'll totally work.
Got that bit in the hole, bam, bam, and then we'll hammer it. Just want to lightly tap on the back of these. Make sure that bit in there.
That top on the way in.
Huh?
Pull up in that.
Make sure this bit's tight.
Just get back to
That
that.
wiggle room. Boom, there you go. Hit that bit one more time with that motherfucking. All that dirt.
Hardware, see that hardware dirty as hell.
Look at that shit. Yeah, all that shit. Make sure you get the back. That's how you do it. That's how you do Brembo.
Straight out the wheel. Let me see how this 20 looks.
Straight out the wheel.
You should be able to
That's
do
how
it
you do that, gang. You feel me? It's that simple.
You're
Hello.
gonna have to figure out one of them. I just want to see what it looks like.